Calling all jilted exes, you know who you are. Now there is help for people who can't seem to get over their exes. Dr. Jacqueline Duke is a contributing expert for that support group called Exaholics.com. She's joining us live this morning from Chicago. Oh, Dr. Luke, we have to talk about this right here, Dr. Duke. First of all, what is an exaholic?
An exaholic is really somebody who has a very difficult breakup and they just struggle to move on. It is interfering with their functioning at work, maybe their sleep, their appetite. We've all been through a breakup, but these are people that really just cannot move past it and find the freedom that they deserve post-breakup.
So now what factors into that? Why do some of us have a hard time moving forward and getting over our exes? Do we need that closure?
Some people truly need that closure. You know, we look back to attachment theories from childhood. The research is going crazy in the past 10 years, finding why some people take it more difficult than others. But there are a large population, and we're finding more and more through this online community of people that have more obsessional thinking, more of a compulsion to reach out and contact their ex. And now with social media, that just adds a bigger element, a bigger temptation to not let go of that failed relationship.
Yeah, I think you're right with that, with the social media aspect. Folks always, I sort of call it, Instagram stalking. You're looking at your ex's pictures, trying to see what you're missing out on, right? So what does your website offer people? What do you do on that website?
So on the website, as part of the community, you pay a small membership fee, and there are 10,000 users right now.
Oh, wow.
Half men, half women, just from all over the world. And there's forums, there's webinars from licensed doctors like myself giving advice, and it really follows something close to this 12-step program for abstinence. And by abstinence, I mean not initiating contact with your ex. That's a big part of it. Our most popular feature of the site is called counting days. And people on the site actually count the hours and count the days that they've made it of not initiating contact with their ex.
And that's a big deal for a lot of people. Okay, Dr. Jacqueline Duke from Exaholics.com. Thanks so much for joining us here this morning on Eye Opener with that good advice.
Thank you.